Lesson 1-2, Concept 3, Adding the Opposite. So in our first two concepts, we looked at adding and subtracting in order to isolate a variable and solve an equation. Adding the opposite is basically a way of combining the two concepts together. So if we have an addition problem where we have a variable and we're adding something to it, normally we would subtract that from both sides. And that's a perfectly reasonable way of doing that. There's no problem. If we think about it as we are adding the opposite though, so instead of subtracting by 5, we're adding a -5, which is the same operation. We end up having a overall method of solving both of these types of problems where we don't have to remember or think about two different ways. We just have one way. Okay? If it's a positive number, we're going to add a negative. If it's a negative number, we are going to add a positive to both sides. And if we went through and solved these, we would cancel both, and we would end up having x equals 10 plus a -5, or 5, and x equals 10 plus a +5, which is 15. So adding the opposite is just another way of looking at the same operations so that you can answer and solve multiple problems in kind of the same way. All right, that's it.